Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Pixel 7, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I will be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Pixel 7. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending this case to me for a review. I did review it for the Pixel 7 Pro, so I said why not do it for, the Pixel 7. This case, the Unicorn Beetle Pro, is the heavy duty case that you want to have on your phone if you're going hiking, if you work in construction, or if you don't mind a bulky case and you drop your phone a lot, then this is a case that you probably will need to pick up. Like we normally do in our reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Can your wireless charge? Just the normal things that you look for in the video. Again, if you have seen Supcase before, nice presentation from them. It says drop protection. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. It gives you instructions on how to install the case. We don't read that. But here's the belt clip itself. More installation guides. So that is the belt clip. This is a sturdy belt clip though too. And you could turn it into a kickstand some kind of way too. I don't really use the belt clip, but if you do, there it is. All right, so let's move this out the way. But here is the case itself. So it does have that built-in screen protector. How you want to take it apart, pretty much just take it here at the bottom. Just kind of pull it apart from the edges. Make sure you don't break it. But once you get it going, comes off pretty good. And then you just want to peel this protective stuff off. Peel this off. So it has a built-in screen protector. Again, I wish they gave you options without the screen protector, but they don't. Now I want to see how it works with my screen protector on there, and you can remove that little sticky thing there if you wanted to. And then here's the bottom case with the kickstand too. So you get the sturdiness and you get the kickstand. So what you want to do is put the phone just like this. You can start from the bottom or the top. And you just work it around until it's in there. And just like that, it's installed. They make it so much easier to install these now. The great thing about these cases, it has a little extra grip here on the sides, a little brand in there. The cutouts line up. Some people remove this tab. I wouldn't recommend doing that. The microphone at the top. So you get camera protection. Again, this part is open, so some people don't like that. But I don't mind it. But the grip is one thing. I love how they have these fake little indentions there. Or should I say fake bolts or something. The kickstand is sturdy. It's hard to get out of there. So you see other cases with kickstands, but this one is sturdy. So you can watch your videos like that, or like this, and like that. So whatever way you want to. And this kickstand is not going anywhere. The great thing about this case too is you're not going to worry about dropping your phone. The power button feels good. Let's try the fingerprint scanner. All right, it still works. Maybe, let's see. I didn't pick up my face that time. All right, it worked that time. So it doesn't mess with the fingerprint scanner. The screen is easy to touch, but again, with these screen protectors on here, just feels like you're touching plastic, because you are. Now, I say the lip action, yes, you don't have to worry about that because you have the protector screen on there already. Let's see how the volume rockers feel. There you go, it opened. Volume rockers feel good too. So this is a nice sturdy case for your Pixel 7. If you're looking for a sturdy case, then this one might be the one that you want to get. All right, let's try the belt clip. So there you go. That's how, if you use the belt clip, that's how it will look. Works pretty good. Not bad at all. All right, so let's see if you can wireless charge or not. I don't think you'll have a problem, even with the kickstand and this heavy duty case. So, yes, you can wireless charge with the case on there. No issues at all. I don't usually wireless charge my phone, but if you do, you don't have to worry about taking it off. But if you want to pick up this case, the links will be in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7, also the Pixel 7 Pro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.